Welcome to my video on creating a TV channel in 2020 without spending a fortune. In a moment I'm going to show you exactly where to create your channel, but first I wanted to tell you what else you need to know that we're going to go over in this video. We're going to talk about the fact that some people say YouTube is the best place to create a channel. Is that so? And creating a channel for conventional TV or cable TV. What are the facts? And then we're going to talk about the best solution for creating a TV channel. All right then, let's get started.
A lot of people think YouTube is the place to build a channel, and it's no wonder why, with 2 billion logged in users, including 180.1 million US users. But the thing is, how many videos are uploaded on YouTube every day? Well, about 576,000 hours worth. And the thing is, people only search the top rankings on YouTube. A report by Meditative using eye tracking technology to see what happens on a search result page like those on YouTube. Orange is a lot of people searching, yellow fewer, green less. As you can see, unless you're at the very top, you don't get any traffic. What about creating a conventional TV channel? Well, the setup can be around $50,000, and that's just the setup. Monthly satellite costs can be anywhere from $8,000 a month all the way up to a lot. And that doesn't include FCC, other licensing, and then there's the equipment. That's right, you need very deep pockets. But then there's Roku. Roku's faster to grow than YouTube channels. You can get more subscribers, more loyal followers, and there's no distracting ads or efforts by the channel to pull traffic away from your hard marketing efforts. Roku has nearly 40 million active accounts, and Roku users spend an average of 3.5 hours a day viewing content. The number of streaming channels on Roku TV is only about 4,500 because it's not on the radar of businesses yet. You can get your share of the 37 million hours a week of streaming content that's being viewed on Roku. This chart is worldwide. Roku is 4 times bigger than Apple TV and 2.5 times bigger than Amazon Fire TV. That's right, it's a huge opportunity. They're the big boys on the block. And the thing is, Roku is cheaper, faster, pennies on the dollar compared to either conventional TV or YouTube.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, post them down below and I'd be glad to address them or create a new video if it's needed. In the next video, I'm going to show you the TV show maker that generates income in 2020 for you. I'll see you in the next video.